It's an extraordinary event in the history of any nation, and more particularly this nation, and extraordinary event in the history of this institution of judiciary. It is with no pleasure in our hearts we were compelled to take this decision to call for a press conference. For some time, the administration of the Supreme Court is not in order. Many things which are less than desirable which have happened in the last few months. Time and again, as senior members of the court, and goes without saying that we are the senior most judges of the country also by virtue of age and our office today, senior judges, we thought we owed a responsibility to the institution, to the nation. We tried to collectively persuade the Chief Justice that certain things are not in order, therefore you should take remedial measures. Unfortunately, our efforts failed. And my dear friends, we are all, four of us are convinced that unless this institution is preserved and it maintains its equanimity, the democracy will not survive in this country or any country. For the survival of a democracy, it is said, the hallmark of a good democracy is an independent and impartial judge. The judge is symbolic here, it is the institution. Judge, the statement, but judge in the context means the judiciary. Now, well, anyway, a lot of things have been published in the press, pro, contrary, whatever it is. We are not entering a regular, it's not a political meeting where we go into all this controversy. But since all our efforts failed, even this morning on a particular issue, four of us went and met the Honorable the Chief Justice of India with a specific request, which we could not unfortunately convince him that we were right and the appropriate decision is to be taken. We couldn't convince him. Therefore, we were left with no choice except to communicate it to the nation that please take care of the institution and take care of the nation, because we have heard a lot of wise men talking in this country earlier. I don't want another 20 years later some very wise men in this country blame that Chalameshwar, Ranjan Gogoi, Madan Lokur and Kurian Joseph sold their souls. They didn't take care of this institution. They didn't take care of the interests of this nation. We don't want it to be said. So we place it before the people of this country. That's all, gentlemen, we wanted to inform you.
Sir, what are the differences?
Sir, what is the issue? What kind of differences?
So what can be done to preserve the
It's a press conference.
We call the press. Don't, please.
We are interested in the
No.
We'll talk to you separately. It's a press. We wanted to.
What happened this morning, sir? What happened this morning, sir?
See,
Can you give some instances?
Yes.
I will tell you something. About a couple of months back, exact date and all we'll give, four of us gave a signed letter to the Chief Justice of India. We'll give copies of that letter. You can call out from the letter what exactly happened. And we wanted a particular thing to be done in a particular manner. A thing was done in a particular, thing was done, but in such a way that it left too many questions. It raised further questions and further doubts about the integrity of the institution. That's what we believe. And many more things happened. So, and this morning also we had to go on something like this.
What happened this morning?
One.
We gave a copy of the letter. The issues are highlighted in the letter.
Issue in that. We leave it there.
We leave it there.
In a few minutes, well, don't overhear us.
No, sir, we're not over here. We are very busy typing.
So that's why we are standing.
What happened this morning, sir?
Sorry.
What happened this morning, sir?
We four of us went, made a request.
Sir, could you please be a little louder?
Four of us went, met the Chief Justice of India, made a request that a particular thing is not in order, therefore it should be rectified. In spite of four colleagues, senior most colleagues of the country, of the Chief Justice and senior most judges of this country requesting. The Honorable Chief Justice thought that we are not right.
Justice Loya's case.
What was that issue, sir?
Sir, issues kya hai?
Why are you forced to maintain secrecy
Is
even
it
now?
Justice
Sorry,
Loya's
sorry,
case?
sorry.
Why the secrecy even now? Why don't you speak out? What is the
No, but the reason is this. Reason is this. See, everybody knows everything. Well, see, I'll tell you something. See, look here, we are not regular. We are not running politics here. And then, you know, somebody making a statement, somebody contradicting it tomorrow, all those
It
things.
leaves a lot of things to speculation, and it's just better if the issue is out.
All right, we'll tell you.
Some brief ideas.
The names.
Give the letter.
Then once
There
you
is no-
look at the letter, you will know what exactly the complaint which you are making. We'll just give you a copy of the letter.
There is no speculation here. We are going to give you a copy of a letter which we had written 2 months back. All the issues are spelled out there. Go through that letter. You will know what the issues are. Do we have to repeat those issues again?
But today morning, sir,
what
you
are
met.
the-
Is there any specific issue?
It
Is it Justice Loya's
is an issue of a